If you're launching Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls and getting the error, the PlayStation PC SDK Runtime cannot start because it is missing from your computer. This video will show you how to fix it. First, open Steam and right-click on the game. Select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish, then launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. If the error still appears, right-click the game again, select Manage, and click Browse Local Files. Open the empty FES folder, then go to Binaries, Win64, Prerequisite, and open the PSP Runtime folder. Now double-click Install PC SDK Runtime and complete the installation. Once you see the installation was successful, close the installer. Launch the game again, and the PlayStation PC SDK Runtime missing error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.